Today we've got a new product from Command Light, the EOS Rapid Deploy Light. It comes in some different light heads from Wayland, FRC, Akron, FireTech. It's also offered in some different battery platforms, just like our Trident tripod, like DeWalt, Milwaukee, and Makita. The light head is able to pivot and then lock in place. The battery is easily removable. We also have a shore power option, so you can plug this into an outlet and have power all the time without worrying about a battery. It's got these cutouts here, so this can be hung on different sized doors.
The EOS is a great solution for mobile lighting. It's a good option if you have limited space, and it allows you to use the battery platform of your choice.